Et salut tout le monde, c'est Yue, on se retrouve pour ce nouvel épisode de Vampire The Masquerade Bloodlines 2. J'espère que ça va vous plaire. Donc on va essayer de se replonger un petit peu dans le jeu parce que ça fait un petit moment qu'on n'y a pas mis les pieds. Pour vous c'est plus simple parce que vous le suivez sur YouTube, donc forcément vous arrivez directement d'un épisode à un autre. Mais pour nous c'est un peu plus complexe. Donc c'est parti. Alors on a des quêtes secondaires qui sont pas trop loin. J'ai souvenir, alors attention par contre ça va spoil, hein, donc si vous n'avez pas vu les épisodes précédents, il faut vous arrêter maintenant. Arrêtez maintenant la vidéo et ne continuez pas. Sinon, donc, on avait affronté le Nosferatu Wilhelm, ça y est, ça me revient. Il nous avait emprisonnés avec une espèce de technique de Malkavian, donc en utilisant l'aliénation, c'était assez bizarre. Et du coup, on a été obligé de le confronter et il a explosé. Apparemment, il était manipulé par quelqu'un. À partir de là, on a fait un rêve où on a rencontré une voix qui s'est présentée comme étant le jardinier. Donc on sait pas trop qui il est, ce qu'il fait. Moi, je présume que c'est un ancien ou un Mathusalem. Donc un ancien ou un Mathusalem simplement malkavien. Et je me demande en fait si depuis le début, le tueur au pilier de béton, c'est pas simplement notre propre personnage. Donc demandez à Safia si elle a entendu quelque chose. Et là c'est quoi? Enquêter sur la scène de crime du Pioneer Square. Et c'est quoi la dernière proposition qu'on a? Ah oui, c'est vrai que le jeu ne supporte pas le QWERTY. On n'a pas d'autres propositions. Bon, on va aller côté de Safia parce que pour le coup elle est vraiment à proximité. C'est une solution de facilité, j'espère que ça va pas nous poser problème. Par contre, j'ai l'impression qu'on incarne Fabien. Oui, on incarne Fabien, donc ça se passe à une autre époque. Donc normalement Safia, la Trémère est par là. Qui je pensais au début était le primogène Trémère, mais j'ai l'impression que c'est pas elle, ça a l'air d'être Madame Thorne.
How's my favorite forensic department?
Fabian, it's been forever. What can I do for you?
It pains me to say this, but we've had another killing.
Oh no. Who? Where?
Don't know yet, just on my way to the scene. Figured I'd check in, see if you'd heard anything.
I haven't, no. But you think this is Santiago?
By the way Tolly was smirking, I reckon so. I don't get it. This is like the 20s all over again. The old 20s, I mean.
I know.
I keep getting flashbacks to what happened then. Marla, Rosalind, Santiago.
The killer with the cross. You shut that case, though. You told me there were no leads. Will you reopen it?
I think someone's done that for me. I'd better get down to Pioneer Square. I'll see you later.
If there's anything I can do, well, come see me, Fabian.
I will.
Là où ça me faisait dire que c'est peut-être Fire, notre personnage, qui est impliqué, c'est parce que le tueur n'a pas agi depuis un siècle, et en fait ça faisait un siècle qu'on n'avait pas vu le personnage de Fire. Qu'est-ce que je suis censé trouver là? On va interagir avec quoi? Les poches de sang. Ah non, avec le magnétophone. Comment je l'active? Ah, je peux peut-être lui parler. Ok, c'est vrai que je peux interagir avec les objets de cette façon.
I thought I was on the right lines already. Oh, that would have just brought me.
Ah, ça fonctionne.
I feel like to set down her thoughts.
And this old recorder wasn't tied to any cyberspatial spy system.
Hey there, big ears. What have you been listening to?
Hey, detective. Yeah, I might have heard a thing or two. A little birdie's talked to me about a K-factor, a failed experiment, and a grocery list. What do you need?
Tell me about the K-factor.
Sure thing.
The process is clearly thaumaturgical. Physical transfusion denatures the power and has no bearing on the recipient's K-factor. Interestingly, a kindred's kiss does seem to bear fruit.
Mean anything to you, detective?
Can't say it does. Wouldn't surprise me if it's Sophia's notes about a hot date. Give me the skinny on the failed experiment.
It's a doozy, all right. Here you go.
R02 demonstrates low-level impulse applied to test block 15. Carbon material measured at 1.2 N. Compare this to R00 telekinetic baseline, where no distinction was made between materials and was able to induce more than 50 N force. It is a result, but not practical in the field.
That get your juices flowing, detective?
I think I
On sait
fell
pas du
asleep
tout de quoi elle
around the
parle, en
second
fait.
sentence. How about that shopping list?
Sure, I got it here.
To do. Reorder CPDA-1 solution, sterile saline, chlorhexidine. Ensure Piotr has delivery by Friday.
You get that? Sounds like a fun shindig, but I wouldn't drink the punch.
Bon, rien de fameux de ce
Well,
côté-là.
thanks, little fella.
No problem, boss. Always happy to lend an ear.
I'll bear that in mind. Useful little doohickey. Maybe I should get one sometime, if anyone still makes them.
Le personnage est un peu fâché avec la technologie, ce qui peut être un peu un handicap quand on est un enquêteur. Alors les pouvoirs de Fabien ne s'utilisent qu'une fois, vous les voyez en bas à droite, et en fait on peut les récupérer à partir du moment où on se nourrit sur quelqu'un, ou si on utilise une des potions qui est en bas à gauche de notre écran. Vous voyez, j'en ai 3. Sinon après il faut aller sur la carte se nourrir sur les symboles qui sont ici. Hop, on va aller sur le lieu de l'enquête, on va y aller assez rapidement. Donc là, en fait, on fait comme une marche rapide dans les souvenirs de Fabien. C'est ce qui fait qu'il court très vite. Puisque c'est un souvenir dont Fire a accès en rêve, en fait. Donc Fabien, c'est l'enquêteur malcavien qu'on a diablerisé au tout début. Donc en fait, on lui a aspiré jusqu'à son âme et une partie de son esprit a fusionné avec nous.
Someone must have given me the exact address, I guess. Maybe Tolly, but it would have interrupted the whole dramatic
On va en profiter pour chasser ici.
scene with Campbell.
I moved to Seattle to get away from work like this. It's right.
The address I had was in a set of down at heel apartments. Evening, Reggie.
Mr. Fabian, I hope.
Reggie, old buddy. Anyone?
Huh? Well,
You okay?
This
was not normal.
Ah, peut-être qu'il s'est fait
Think hard, Reggie.
lobotomiser
You
par un
see
autre
anyone
vampire.
at the apartment?
I think
Huh. That was even. I find my.
all I have.
Ooh, that's better. Keep warm, Reggie.
Do you?
Reggie was never the sharpest tool in the shed, but something had made him even worse than usual.
On va le garder activé sur la carte, on viendra lui parler quand on aura enquêté sur le lieu de base. Comme ça, nos pouvoirs, on pourra éventuellement faire fouiller dans son esprit, voir si un autre membre de la famille l'a intercepté avant. Ah mais c'est le fameux appartement où Fire a élu domicile.
Whether you're winding down from a long day or just beginning your nocturnal adventure.
Donc c'est notre refuge quand on joue Fire.
This place used to belong to my old friend Dale. Used to being the key words here.
Il y avait déjà le chat qui était décédé.
Me and animals, we'd always had a special rapport. Hey there, little buddy. How's your night going? How long you been lying here? That's what I thought. I'm sorry, buddy. He didn't deserve you. Did you see who killed Dale?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Sorry. Hard to see anything if you don't have a pulse. Unless you're me, of course. If only you could tell me what was really going on.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Well, yeah. It's obvious when you think about it. Someone forget to feed you. Sorry about that. Yeah, that's true. Dale did have his habits. Guess sometimes he let the real world pass him by. Any clues for me? I'm kind of stumped. Well, that is illuminating. Thank you, little buddy. Hope you get to dream of mice.
Au petit chat.
Dale did like to cook, as the youth seem to call it. Made some of his own recipes, bought in others. More rebar, huh? You aren't looking too well there, buddy. I thought about it, but it seemed like I didn't think that was worth the effort.
On va voir si on peut recharger notre sang ici avant de dépenser une potion pour interroger le fer de béton. Est-ce qu'il y a d'autres choses à voir? Oui, là.
Maybe Dale used it to scope out heavenly bodies. It was a Bible. Never took Dale for the religious type, but then I've heard some substances take mortals closer to God. I got the fascination with spirit boards, but always wondered, what if the ghost never learned to write? Either Dale was paranoid or he had guests who didn't like sunlight. I was guessing the former. If you could say one thing for the man, it's that he had an eclectic taste in clothes. Estrogen. Caution, do not take if male. Well, what Dale wanted to put in his own body was entirely his own business.
Bon, j'ai peur qu'il faille utiliser notre potion.
Lotions and potions. Most I recognized, but one stood out. I had never seen it before, and I thought I was down with the street trade. Had Dan whipped up a new cocktail? I was out of my league here. Maybe worth a chat with Sophia or Mrs. Thorne.
Qu'est-ce que c'est qu'il y a sur impression? Ah mais c'est ça.
Not the best conversationalist.
Ah, on peut pas l'interroger ça. Alors du coup, on peut enlever l'objet. Non. Alors qu'est-ce qui m'a échappé?
Yeah, I wasn't going to do that. I didn't think that. I didn't see the need. Dale was one of
Ouais,
those
il m'a dit il y a 2 minutes que c'était
You've just seen him around.
pas possible.
Talked to him a few times, maybe exchanged the latest gossip, hit a body or two together. Dale, I'd say it's good to see you, but, you know, you being dead and all and a figment of my imagination, guess it means...
Oh, hi, Fabian. Been a while. Yeah, I've been better, though I never looked exactly healthy, did I?
Obvious question, I guess, but, how did it happen?
I'd say my throat was cut, and then I must have been dragged up onto this rebar. Someone rammed it through my rib cage and then hung up a cross-like decoration like the star on a Frappaway Christmas tree.
Strong guy then, right? I mean, this looks more and more like Kindred. You were a ghoul, right?
Who'd I drink from, you mean? It's hard to say.
Don't think you are...
Maybe a person of interest for your kid.
Yeah, maybe so. Did you know the killer?
You know what? I think I did. At least, must have been someone I knew. Or at least...
How was the alchemy trade going for you?
Ok, donc on sait pas la goule de qui c'est, ni s'il connaissait le tueur.
Cookery around the place. Still got that acrid tang at the back of your throat, a note of butane, and a cheap body spray. I have helped you figure out one thing, Detective.
Sure. Someone's sending...
That, and I was probably killed by someone I knew.
You got that right, little buddy. Thanks, Dale. Sorry about, the whole strung up...
I know a guy who founded a whole religion like this.
Livre de Dale. On a des nouvelles pistes. On va aller voir notre copain là qui avait perdu sa langue. Ah bah tiens, il est devenu la quête principale. Si vous avez des questions ou des suggestions, n'hésitez pas. Des choses sur toi. Non.
Let my voice be your sanctuary, dear listener.
Reggie, old pal?
It's a fine night, Mr.
You sure you...
Well,
Something... I got places...
May...
Oh, that would have just... I thought I was on the right lines already.
Let's see what's going on in here. Not that, but I know that there's something. What are you hiding? I know I saw it. It was. Huh. Now that wasn't memory loss. That was a solid block. Someone had used... Reginald, my friend?
La domination.
Always gentle, always...
If I could take it...
To be one with...
Ah, il nous permet de le faire 2 fois, ça va, c'est pratique. Est-ce que ça nous recharge tous nos pouvoirs?
Become...
Ça a l'air. Est-ce que je peux farfouiller davantage? Non. Ok. Alors, qu'est-ce qu'il nous propose en dessous? Torrent sur l'élixir. Ok. Là, qu'est-ce que ça nous dit? Sur l'élixir. Bon, Torrent, je me dis qu'elle aura peut-être plus de connaissances, vu qu'elle est censée être plus ou moins la primogène. Là, on va désactiver ça. Allez, allons, on Torrent.
I don't freeze to death.
Wish I had a warmer jacket.
Ils font jamais leur vitre. Hein.
Good evening, ma'am.
Detective.
She seemed in a good mood. I assumed she was marinating it. Hey, I found this potion. I thought since you were our expert on cauldrons and newt size and such, you might recognize it. Oh, something the Thin Bloods made, I'm sure.
Indeed.
Think it could be...
Memory.
Memory.
Salvia officinalis, Centella asiatica, Bacopa moneri, the vulgar time, and others. Memory and clarity, Detective. To cloud or to erase, to improve, to reshape.
Memory. I have the memory of it. God, what are those little things? Orange gills, swim around in circles, opposite of an elephant? Anyway, can you tell me who might use this or what they need it for?
You have partial information, young man. There's a manufactured component here. Some of that modern messing about.
Sophia? Not about this.
Mistress Thorne, thank you.
I was wondering.
Can't say I know that.
Active here back in the 1920s.
Oh, long before my time in your benighted country, young man.
Thanks.
Close the door off.
Eh ben, on est bien accueillis ici, dis donc.
Call in on Sophia then.
C'est quoi ce perso, yo? Vérifie s'il y a des clés à récupérer. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? Safia semble avoir fait des recherches sur une personne du nom de Nomade. Je vais y jeter un coup d'œil, ça pourrait se révéler important pour plus tard. Ok. On va voir que la Trémère est impliquée au sabbat. C'est elle qui a fait ses rituels à la con sur le Nomade. Elle va nous dire ouais viens le récupérer, il est là-bas. Et c'est elle qui nous fait faire exécuter. Ce qu'elle n'avait pas prévu, c'est que on fuse avec les Nomades. On va voir. Si c'est Safia qui nous a fait ça, je suis fort. On va voir. Après ça m'étonnerait que ce soit elle, il n'y a pas de raison. Sauf si le personnage est mal écrit, mais j'espère pas. Oh, c'est tout rouge ici. Il n'y a rien de particulier. C'était joli comme lumière.
I figured Sophia would be in. She kept off business hours, but then so did I.
I'm back.
I can see that.
I picked up this potion, wondering if you could tell me about it.
Oh, interesting. Huh, this is fascinating. Not the recipe I know.
Could you take a guess?
Yes.
Madame Thorne, elle a deviné.
Enhancer,
Ça marche.
I would say. Something
Bonne nuit,
to,
Yohei.
Magnify capabilities. To make your body work more efficiently somehow in
Quoi,
one way or
OMG?
another.
Mrs. Thorne thought it had something to do with memories.
That would make sense. A memory enhancer, yes. To make the subject's recall more
Ah bon?
acute, more capable.
Je connais
A
pas.
memory enhancer, huh? Now that's interesting. I wonder who might be in the market for memory potions. I can think of a few trees to shake. Nico's one for the markets. Katsumi might know, given it's a thin blood potion.
Dolly, perhaps?
Yeah, Dolly might have heard something. Although getting him to share it is never easy. Thanks. You've helped a bunch. Well, I took a look at the scene. It was a place on Pioneer Square. I had a nice chat with the victim. Dale. Deals in thin blood elixirs. You know the guy?
Another mortal. You think this is Santiago again?
All evidence says so. And so did the corpse.
Ah oui, j'y ai joué. T'as à l'oreille, hein, parce que j'ai pas reconnu.
Faut
dire que je la jouais pas beaucoup.
I'll drop by later.
I'd like that.
Habile. Alors, on a des nouvelles pistes. Bien, bonne nuit à toi, du coup, Yohei. Alors, prêteur sur gage. Et ils nous font courir un petit peu à droite à gauche parmi les PNJ. Ouais, ça marche, bonne nuit. Merci d'avoir suivi les lives, bon courage pour ton projet. N'hésite pas à nous faire passer les images si tu en as. Hop. Enfin, quand tu en auras, je veux dire. Bon, c'est casse-bonbon cette histoire. Un peu quête FedEx. Au final, on voit d'un point A à un point B en parlant des PNJ. Je sais pas si c'est hyper intéressant. Si on regarde de près la technique, en fait, c'est des gros immeubles avec un peu de lumière, des interactions avec des PNJ, avec des déplacements couloirs. Pour l'instant, je vois pas tant d'embranchements que ça.
Maybe I'll just concentrate.
Peut-être qu'il y a trop d'éléments là sur la TH. Je sais pas si on peut virer la TH. Une bonne question d'ailleurs. Le jeu est en ultra. Peut-être dans les commandes. Je vois pas d'éléments particuliers.
I hope Mom doesn't ruin Christmas again this year.
Je sais pas si vous avez déjà joué à Dead Space, c'est vrai que là il n'y a pas d'ATH, ça c'est bien foutu, tout est sur le personnage. Alors pourquoi ça s'est mis à grossir? Est-ce qu'il y a une interaction possible avec quelque chose?
They said a cat may look at a king, but when it came to princes, I wouldn't advise it. You could go through 9 lives in surprisingly quick order.
Ouais, ça dépend pour les collègues. La collectorador n'est pas là.
Hey, Nico.
Fabian! Are you hot on the trail of a conspiracy? Any leads on the Umbrella Cartel and their weather-making machines? They sure screwed up this week.
I am always on the trail of a conspiracy, sometimes more than one. Say, do you know anything? I'm told it's a memory enhancer or something like that.
I'm afraid I do not.
That's what I figured. Thanks.
J'ai lu Fabien a entièrement foiré une piste, donc c'était exploité.
I was wondering if you could take a look at the...
Huh, I did not take you for a follower of...
Only when I stubbed my toe. I've got a few of these now.
Yes, I...
Associated with a few...
Okay, well...
I did know that.
It is a mix of mild steel and some of the decoration is cast in zinc alloy. Oh no, not at all. Recently made, but made to look old. Like it's not a bad job. It would not be cheap. Properly made, none of this...
Prop. Now that is interesting. Heard anything interesting lately?
Not at all. It's been quiet. Like the calm before us.
I do know what you mean. The impet...
Perhaps.
C'est Maria Carré qui arrive.
Catch many bad guys, Fabian.
Nothing from friend. Nico, time to burn some more shoe leather.
Some change.
Detective! Well, detective, tell me, how's the case? Ooh, let me guess. You pretty sure it was curbside pickup only? Something...
I'm looking into the...
Better living through chemistry, huh? You never struck me as the type.
Thin blood alchemy. You any notion who might be buying it?
Memory enhancement. Ooh, who'd need an improved memory? You know, Fabian,
Come on, Tolly. You know...
It's on the tip of my tongue, but you know how it is. I get distracted by...
Ah l'enfoiré.
I know you've got some kind of
problem with our dear sheriff? He's such a charmer, and so restrained and respectful, and also beats up on little boys, if you didn't know. Nothing kinky.
I see.
Do you, detective? I know you're bad badge is dusty, but remind me.
Service, pride, dedication. It's acronym play, see?
Must make you proud to share such dedicated service with good old.
Seen anything?
I don't know. It's a real public health hazard.
I've got to figure.
Don't be any.
Quel enfoiré.
I didn't think that would help. What secrets are we? It's Willem, you failure of a detective. Willem, right. So, Willem was the buyer. And unless I missed my mark...
How can I help?
You must know...
I gotta...
Okay.
Have fun.
Ok, donc on sait que c'est Willem qui voulait une potion de mémoire.
Change? Anyone?
Pourquoi Willem lui ferait ça? Enfin, on sait déjà qu'il est... qu'il botte pour le jardinier, mais...
I was pretty sure
C'est chelou.
Willem hung around here. No idea why. I don't think he ever drove a car. The rear view, you see. He's never been a fan. I had to find Willem's trick for getting into his haven. Yeah, I didn't see the point in confusing things.
Comment on fait pour utiliser ça? Ouais, je peux pas intervenir dessus. Ouais, je m'amuse bien, mais là je suis bloqué sur un puzzle où j'ai déjà visité avec Fire. Et Fire, lui, il utilise la télékinésie, mais Fabien, lui, sait pas faire. Et je ne comprends pas comment on peut l'utiliser. Alors peut-être que... Donc là, j'essaie de parler avec les différents objets. Non, c'est pas possible. Alors, est-ce qu'il y a un autre moyen d'accéder à l'égout? Non, bah je crois que c'est le seul moyen d'accéder au refuge. Alors, je vais regarder sur la carte s'il n'y a pas d'autres trucs à faire avant, parce que c'est peut-être juste ça. Non, c'est le seul endroit où elle est. Ça va mieux, toi? Ok, donc je peux rien utiliser.
I didn't see the point in confusing things. I didn't think that was worth the effort.
Non, bah je peux utiliser aucun de mes pouvoirs.
Well, I figured I needed my strength for other things.
Est-ce que je peux pousser la voiture?
I probably shouldn't be drinking random potions like this, but something told me I now had the keys.
Ah, c'est peut-être que là je deviens super rapide. Non, elle me sert à quoi cette...
Nope. Yeah, I thought I was on the right lines already. I didn't see the need.
Salut Valdanel, j'ai encore vu un truc qui s'appelait Immortal récemment, mais j'ai oublié où. Aïe aïe aïe, faudra que je change de nom. À la fin, ça va s'appeler l'épée de Elliot. Comment tu vas, Valdanel? Alors là, je suis bloqué, les gars. Je vous donne le contexte. Il faut que j'accède... Enfin, il faut que je rencontre un vampire. Le vampire il vit dans ce conteneur. Pour ouvrir le conteneur, il faut activer les 3 leviers. Et normalement, il faut les activer dans un temps défini parce que sinon le levier se relève et du coup il faut tout recommencer. Le problème c'est que... Donc je l'ai déjà fait avec un autre personnage, mais l'autre personnage avait de la télékinésie, donc il pouvait les activer à distance et du coup il remplissait les conditions temporelles. Là, je n'arrive même pas à activer un seul levier parce que j'ai pas de touches qui me permettent de le faire. Donc est-ce que vous avez une idée d'autres choses à faire, sachant que j'incarne un Malkavien qui est en capacité de parler aux objets, et là j'arrive pas à parler justement aux différents leviers. Et en termes de scénario, il faut vraiment que j'aille ici, parce que là j'ai un meurtre sur les bras, et a priori l'objet pour lequel a été tuée la personne, c'est un objet que voulait Wilhelm. Donc Wilhelm c'est le mec, c'est le vampire qui est dans ce conteneur. Donc comment je peux faire mon affaire? C'est une blague? Donc en fait je pense que la potion que j'ai utilisée me donne la télékinésie. Je vois que cette solution. Ah, bon bah voilà. Donc on avait une potion qui donnait la télékinésie. Donc toujours en recherche de boulot et dessin, montage pour les vidéos pour m'occuper en attendant. Et du coup à côté, tu as le temps de jouer, de profiter un peu, tu regardes des séries en particulier? Ah, je vais plus parler pendant 2 petites secondes.
Willem was a strange kind of guy, and I was qualified in strange kind of guys. We got on okay. Hey, Willem.
Detective Fabian, how's the case of the missing street sign?
Oh, I solved that a week ago. It wasn't about where the sign was, it was that the street itself had moved. The two are reunited and happy as bluebirds. I wanted to... You know anything about, I mean, the skill they have to whip up lotions and potions. I'm not suggesting...
Alchemy, detective? You know...
Memory potions, Willem? To spring clean your memory palace? Maybe add an east wing and a pool? That'd be useful to you, right?
I suppose so. I might have used...
You'd remember. That is the whole point. Does the name Santiago ring a bell?
The hunter? They called him the rebar killer in the dailies, didn't they? A long, long time ago.
That's the guy. He's active again.
Really? That's not good.
Understatement of the century, buddy. Come clean, buddy. Your noggin's always overflowing, and you're indulging in a bit of chem...
Well, it's important, Fabian. There's so much to remember. Names, numbers, dates.
I tell you, there are a few dates I would love to forget.
Pourrait noter ça sur un
I gotta
papier.
keep myself sharp. Why does this matter to you?
You got the potions from Dale. They're cool. He's currently pinned up to a crossbeam by someone who's into very heavy metal. Oh, and his head is missing.
His head? Fabian, what do you mean? Do you think I killed him? Well, how could I kill him?
Non, c'est pas ce que j'ai dit.
You couldn't have killed him, buddy. Compared to our killer, you're weak as a noodle.
Alors c'est pas vrai, ils ont la puissance, les Nosferatu. Ouais, ça se termine comme ça, l'enquête? Ouais. Il manque des éléments.
But he was on the scene and that's all we have right now. I mean, look at him. He's cooling his heels. Anything else before you go in?
Oui, d'accord, on retourne dans le passé.
So, the victim. What else do we know?
What are you talking about? We know that it's a pain in the ass, if that's what you mean. That hive had so much locked up in his skull. With Rosalind gone too, we'll be trying to pick up on pieces that only Isaac knew.
En fait, si ça t'intéresse, Valdanel, il y a quelqu'un qui voulait me passer une commande pour faire des émotes pour une chaîne Twitch. Si ça te dit, je peux te mettre en contact avec la personne. Je sais pas si vous serez ok pour bosser l'un avec l'autre.
was Isaac.
Have you listened to anything I've said?
Yeah, I was just testing. Theorizing. Extemporizing.
Ouais, ok. Bon, bah, je refilerai ton message.
There's work to do here.
Ah, c'était une autre époque, Fukushima, c'était 1920. Faut parler de la scène de crime.
Remind me about the crime scene?
Fabian, we just talked about this. Come on, will you? Same method. Vic nailed to floorboards by rebar through the torso.
Excusez-moi, shérif, j'étais dans une autre temporalité.
He doesn't get those from the five and dime, so that's a threat to follow, I guess. Nothing special about the apartment.
Ah bah c'est cool ça, Valdanel.
Apart from the head.
So, our suspect.
Sweat him out. Find out whether he saw anything, why he was there in the first place, how he knew our Vic. You know the deal.
What's his background?
Exactly, that kind of thing. You know how to do this.
How's the wife and kids?
Fabian, we are vampires, you do get that right. Bloodsuckers, the undead, sold our souls to the devil. We don't get to have wives and kids.
You sure? I mean, we can go to church, right? A priest could get us married. We could adopt.
Fabian.
Back at the party, you were worried about a girl. You were Beau?
If it'll keep you on track, yes, there is a girl. No, I'm not her Beau. She's a problem for someone else. Satisfied? We've got a man.
Ah, je serai encore plus satisfait quand j'aurai son nom, hein, vu que je suis curieux. Du coup, Valdanel, je te ferai faire contacter via Discord.
Let's see what the little fella had to say.
Alors, mon cochon, tu vas passer aux aveux.
Sort of sweaty. Something bugged me about him, but I couldn't put my finger on it. Just give me the facts, pal. Nice and neat.
I already gave my statement, Detective.
Says here Willem Axel. Don't I know you?
I don't know how you could.
Huh. Strange how memory plays tricks. But anyway, lay it out for me.
What do you want to know?
Ah, ce serait le Nosferatu avec l'occultation.
Tell me why we picked you up.
Don't you know?
I'm the one asking the questions here.
Okay. I was just visiting a friend at Sunset Heights. I guess wrong place, wrong time. Your boys in blue thought I was something to do with this killing.
Who was this friend?
It's just a friend. There's no law about that, right? I'm happily married.
Does your wife know where you are?
She does have business tonight. She's used to me working late.
They do say absence makes the heart grow fonder. I've always wondered about that myself. Some people I don't see for months or years, but when we meet up, they still don't seem too happy about it.
Oui, on est d'accord. Les vêtements ont l'air de dater d'une autre époque.
Did you know the victim?
Just in passing.
You knew Isaac? How?
I only met him that night. I'd been sent with a package for him, that's all.
Who by?
By my boss, Lou Graham.
Really? Now there's a thing for the books. You know what the package was?
No.
And he wasn't dead when you gave him the package?
No, we talked and then I left.
Did you see anything?
No.
Right, and I was the Emperor of China. Right, and I'm the Emperor of China.
I didn't, I swear.
You're sweating like a ham in a steamer there, fella. So tell me about you. What's your business?
Sans transition.
I'm nobody important, detective. I work as a bookkeeper.
Accountant?
Yeah, that's right.
So why are you sweating, accountant?
I'm not feeling well, but also because I work at Lou's place, and I know you detectives don't like it there.
Sure, I get that. Lots of people who work for Lou, they sweat. But you're pale. I decided to give him a minute, but I knew I'd have to keep poking. What are you hiding? They never told me what the embrace would really mean. Willamette seemed to kill her. It was right at the top of his mind. Time to put on the thumb screws.
Je voulais voir ce que le codex mettait en avant, mais... Ah si, c'est note sur l'affaire. Non...
I got a few more questions.
Sure, detective.
You're just like me, a goddamn...
No, it's not what you think.
You got no heartbeat and you stutter too much for a stiff.
No, he offed me. Isaac, I went some deal he did with Lou, and...
The two of you did the deed. I get it.
Yeah. What do you mean?
Oh, never mind. No, you'll find out. So,
Ah putain, Willem, donc il est devenu Nosferatu, là, il a pas encore perdu son nez et tout ça.
No, it wasn't me. I didn't see anything.
Vraiment être un jeune vampire.
We both know you saw something. Something to do with the killer. You're scared of him, right? This guy kills and kills, buddy. You give me a name, I can protect you.
Okay, listen. I did that thing with Isaac.
Feels dirty, don't it? But I get you. Takes it out of you and puts it right.
Mais Willem, je croyais qu'il était déjà vampire en 25. Je sais pas si on est en 1920.
Isaac was listening to the wireless. I was sitting recovering off in the corner. Heard footsteps and in comes this guy.
So then what happened?
Comes up behind Isaac. Isaac still hasn't noticed. And then he pulled out this sort of long rod from a golf bag over his back, and he stabbed Isaac straight through his spine from behind. It came out front. It came out front. God, who can do that? Who could do that to anyone? All the hair came out of him like a
Inner tube stabbed by a pry bar? I'm guessing? Kind of like a... But you didn't see his face? Hands? Anything?
I saw his hands as he just reached out and
Ils sont pas fait chier pour la mise en scène par contre.
Isaac's head and he just...
Pop goes the weasel, huh? So our man is strong, real strong.
C'est pour ça qu'ils ont fait un jeu à la première personne.
What should I do now?
Go see Lou. She's the one who landed you in this mess. She takes care of people, they say. Depending on how you interpret the words take care of.
Je vais vous laisser pour de bon. Le jeu m'emballe pas des masses. À plus. Ça marche. Je dois avouer que c'est un peu mou pour l'instant. Ciao ciao. Repose-toi bien. Soigne-toi bien surtout.
No longer splattered across the pavement, for one. You're in Weaver Tower.
Oh.
Tolly found you, brought you back. He's handling cleanup as we speak.
What did you do?
Not now, Sophia.
He was my Willem. He was as close to a
Ah
friend
oui, c'est
as I
vrai
had.
qu'on a
And he-
buté Willem.
and you
Ça s'est arrêté à ce
Excuse
moment-là.
her. Tonight's events cause some distress, and she's not alone. Campbell's records are part of the machinery that keeps the city running, or at least they were. So I'm gonna need an explanation.
Willem's hand was forced by one he called the Gardener. I tried to save him, but
The gardener. Who?
Willem used my mark against me, just as Isabella did. There can be no question. These are not isolated cases. There are no coincidences. This is the work
D'ailleurs, il a
of the
vraiment un
Sabbath.
accent chelou.
No, no. Willem would never. He would never.
He would, because he was. I do not know what else to tell you. He had clothed himself in dynamite. Someone else caused it to detonate. Someone who was not present. I could not have prevented it.
This gardener. I need to think. You will return tomorrow night. In the meantime, see what you can do to smooth things over. Sophia, you have work to do?
Of course, my prince.
Poor
Okidoki.
Sophia. She truly was fond of Willem. You should maybe go see her. Leave that wound untended, it might fester. You'll want to check in with Tolly too, seeing as he gave you the tip. This time of night, he's
Ah, il
usually
est
at the
chelou,
Dutchman.
Tolly.
And I wonder what the
Des
Anarchs
choses
make
qu'il
of
sait
this.
qu'on sait pas.
Dropping in at the hole in the wall couldn't hurt.
Allez, on va finir cet épisode là-dessus. Merci à tous d'avoir suivi. Des bisous. Ciao, ciao.